Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, as I'm gonna unboxing a big box. Before we start, let's do an intro. Here the box, guys. It's so big. It's so big. Okay, let's start unboxing. I'm so excited, guys. Wow. I say now. It's so big. The box is so big, guys. Ayan. Okay. Let's see what inside, guys. Okay. It's a part. It's a part of the chair. Yeah, it's a chair inside, guys. It's a gaming chair. Gaming chair. The pink color gaming chair, guys. That's my dream. Pink color gaming chair. Oh my god. Oh my god, I like the color. I like that color. That color. Wow. A pink color gaming chair, guys. Oh wow. This is the back. And this is the manual. Wow. So this is the stand. The stand. The back. Ito sa back. This is the chair. Wow, I like the color. I so much for this best friend. This is ano to? Empty. Okay, empty na. Okay, this is a part of the gaming chair, guys. This is the screw. Screw bang tawag dito? Okay, and this is a manual. Manual, guys. Okay, guys. So, ayan lang, guys. So, okay, guys, let's, assemble the part of a gaming chair. Ano ito yung chair? Ano ko simbol din naman ang ganun pa sa amin? Sa white mo? Pero ano yun? Parang drawer din. Hirap naman ito. Yan. Ano na? Pagaling na? Ano yung ano ito? Yun. Ito. Guys, this is my sister. She is a lady boy. She is a lady boy ba yan? Tawag na? Lady girl, lesbian. She is a lesbian. My sister. My handsome sister. Hindi mo naman lang na. Nakakulord. Kulord. Ay! Mahirap tuloy. Ang hirap nga namin, guys.
The manual, like ultrasound.
The manual, it's difficult to say, guys, because it's like, look like ultrasound, guys. So difficult to, symbol. Ano man kasunod? What is, the next one? Ano ba yun?
Ito.
Baka nga. Ito lang naman yung party ng ito. Ito na lang. Saka ito, yan.
Yan na lang.
Oo, wala yan naman ulit. Wala naman. Okay, baka itong mahaba. Ano ba ito?
Hindi yan. Ginano. Ito may manis malinaw. Yung palinaw para tayo palabo. Palabo nga.
Kaya nga eh. Kung malabo yung mata mo yan, ay malabo talaga. Ay, ito tao. Ito na limon. Tapos na bunit. Ay, nako. Pero bilisan natin kaya baka ang haba ng video. Yan ba yan? Tapos na nailagay yung upuan na siguro. Ano na? Baka upuan na. Hindi pa upuan na. Hindi pa. Baka yung pinaka. Ito.
Lara?
Ito lang naman eh. Ito na siguro. Diba ito na?
Ano daw? Install the tray at the back of the seat.
The back of the seat. Ayan, ito. Ito ang baba naman. Ayan guys, nailagay na yung ano.
Next. Next. Is that?
Ayan.
Ano? Puti ay? Dito ba ito?
Nasa na yung manual?
Next. Ito na. Minaw mo siya na. Ikaw ng bugan.
Yung upuan na siguro. Baka yung upuan. Upuan na? Upuan na yan?
Wait lang. Kasi. Isuot na yun.
Ito na guys, na-assemble na namin yung aking pink gaming chair.
Ito rin manual niya.
Thank you so much for my very, very, very kind best friend. Thank you for this wonderful gift to me. God bless you always. You know who you are. Thank you.
Ano?